Trend precognition is showing us that on the higher time frame, specifically the monthly candle, we at the moment have a long signal. And let me just take timescapes out to clean this up a little bit. And so this, number one, is still a tentative signal. It could be invalidated, but this indicates that price is not necessarily, and I want to make this clear to you guys, a signal, a trend precognition signal, in this case a long, does not necessarily mean that price is going to make a new high. And I'm not speaking all-time high, just a higher high from where we're at. What it technically means is that price, there's a high probability or an increased probability that price is not likely to go below the prior candle's low in this case, which currently sits at 59.9, right? So we'll call it 60K. And so with that in mind, things could still play out. We could still have a green monthly close and going as low as, where was the close last month? 66,985. So, basically 67. We could go as low, basically to the bottom, lower end of this range and still respect this signal.